Welcome to the channel, guys. VST here with SP Tech and a new update for the S21 Ultra. That's not a joke, guys. We can just scroll down and see we are now getting the BULF, BULG update, 500 megabytes, including the security patch level from January the 1st. Usually the security updates are around 250 megabytes. This one is double the size. If we just go and see what has been improved, overall stability of functions improved, and then my favorite part, when you just click here on the changelog on the Samsung side itself, they're still showing the BULC update, which was the previous one. But guys, this looks already very promising, so I'm gonna hit the download button. I'm going to install this update, and then you know how it goes. It's gonna be Enter 2, it's gonna be some camera opening, camera closing, some apps opening, closing, landscape, and also vertical, and it's gonna be also recent menu and etc. So yeah, let's just see how well Samsung did it or not. Alright, the update has been downloaded and I'm going to install it on my phone right now. What is very interesting is that this is already the 6th update on Android 12 One UI 4, guys. See here, first one came 14th of November, second one, third one, fourth one. The fifth one was just about Christmas time, which was the BULC, right? And right now we have this very new version, which is the 6th update already. And you can just see more than 20 updates for the S21 series since they were launched on the 14th of January, which is really crazy, guys. I'm installing the ROM as we speak, and while you're here, guys, you might as well check some of my other content. I do a lot of tech videos, camera reviews, firmware reviews, Samsung, Pixel 6, also sometimes Apple iPhone, and in general apps reviews, so maybe you find the content you like, and if you decide to subscribe, that's going to be deeply appreciated. Now let's resume when this here is done. Alright, now booting for the first time, and this is indeed the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, the latest firmware from January this year, guys, including the January security patch. Again, this firmware was 500 and something megabytes, so it's really interesting to see what else Samsung tried to sneak in. Some software information, guys. One UI version 4, Android 12. This is the 6th version running on Android 12 using the One UI 4. When we scroll down a bit, you can just see the build number here is the BULF, and we can also see that the Android security patch level is from the 1st of January. And that's exciting, guys, because today we have the 6th of January. So you can just think how quick are Samsung, right? Sometimes Samsung are managing and pushing these updates even quicker than Google are doing for the Pixel phones, which is really outstanding. Now let's check some versions. First thing we want to start, guys, is of course the home, which is the One UI launcher. So about home screen, 13.0.0.5.11 pretty much was the same on the previous. Okay, now let's go inside the camera, guys, and let's just try to check the camera version. So about the camera, 12.0.0.1.2.3, it is still the same version. Now let's go inside the settings and scroll to find the parametrics and security. More parametric settings, the security patch, just comparing it, 6.3.0s to 1.1.3. So it seems that those things have not been changed, which is really interesting. Then what besides security updates is available here? But guys, let's start with the camera opening, camera closing. And I want to make this disclaimer here. I always make this disclaimer in these videos. I didn't really massage my phone. I did not run the Galaxy App Booster to optimize it, didn't really delete the cache partition. And I know I just installed a new ROM. And by the way, you know, my phone is already updating some of the stock applications. Phone is running already on 38 degrees, so most probably when I start Geekbench for the first time, it's not gonna be perfect. But yeah, why not be surprised? So first thing we're gonna be doing, guys, is gonna be checking some of the animations. Okay, yeah, see, this is absolutely smoother, right? Wow, okay. All right. Yep. Let's open Telegram. Wow, okay. Let's open the Mixcloud. Whew. All right, let's open also the Spotify. Okay, Okay, let's now go again, home settings. Okay, let's now quick settings, Google. Okay, recent menu, very nice. Let's open Google. Wow. All right, let's open now again camera, close, camera, close, camera, close, camera, close. Okay, yep. Let's now go and open the expert raw camera. Okay, close, open, close, open, open the regular camera, open. Okay, very smooth, guys. It's probably the best ROM I've seen in terms of S21 Ultra, in terms of smoothness. Let's now access the settings again. Yep. Let's now go and check the widget screen. The weather, perfectly okay. Device and battery, okay, optimize. All right, everything very nicely. Okay, gonna go back. All right, Spotify widget, really loading, closing, loading. Okay, screen time, very nice, guys. Chrome, opening, closing, opening, closing. Okay, let's open now the clock. Okay, Samsung members. All right, internet. Wow. Okay, the game launcher. Okay, let's open the Samsung tree. Oops. Samsung tree again. Yeah, don't use this, you can tell. Now let's see again the recents app. No stutter at all. I'm really hyped about this. Home screen. Yeah. Okay, go back to the first screen. Google now. Settings. All right, settings again. Okay, oops. Yeah, a very little stutter here. Not a problem at all. Okay, settings. Okay. Settings again. All the recent apps, guys, you can see I have plenty of those. All right, let's close. Let's check the temperatures, guys. 41 degrees. This is not really ideal, but still I'm going to start Geekbench and I'm just hyped to see the results we're gonna get. Let's run the CPU benchmark. All right, we're now about to see the results. Yeah, as expected, guys, bad results. Yeah, phone just needs a bit more time. Just check again the stutter. See, phone is operational. No big stutters, guys, at all. Recent menu. I would say everything works a bit better than I really expected. Phone again is not really very warm, just by touching. Now, one last test, opening the camera, closing, opening, closing, opening, closing. Yeah. Let's now open some games. Let's open the browsers. Okay. Starts like this. Connecting to the server. All right. Wow. Okay. Was quite fast. We just close that one. Okay. Let's go back into the normal mode and let's just go and open the Temple Run. Yep. Starts all quite nice. Yep, plays out quite nice. Okay, let's now do again the check. Let's go into the home settings. Yeah, animations are improved. I have the feeling that the animations are really improved. No big stutters whatsoever. Let's go back. Yeah. This was the result that I got last time when I was testing the Wildlife Extreme and the normal Wildlife. So let's just do the Wildlife normal one. Okay, 6105. Okay, let's try to redo the test. So the benchmark ended, guys, and you can just see that although Geekbench was not so good, I still got a very nice overall score, 5872 with an average frame rate of 35 frames per second, which I think is quite playable. And yeah, this was very close to the score I got last time. So my advice on these benchmarks, don't, get yourself focused too much. It is just a nice indicator, and it's always good to do them when your phone is not so stressed. And of course, not directly after you do an update, but I am doing this just for the science. This has been the S21 Ultra update from January 2022, of course with the January security patch, and I really hope also with less stutter. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please, you and your family stay safe. Let me know down below in the comments your feedback if you have the chance to install this on your Ultra or S21 or S21 Plus, and yeah, please stay safe guys until we meet in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.